In just a few weeks, Apple will unveil the iPhone 17 lineup, and the rumor mill is already buzzing. An unexpected orange Pro Max is stealing the spotlight. This is a major departure from the usual Pro palette of blacks and silvers, and fans are loving it. Historically, Apple's Pro models have stuck to conservative finishes like space black, dark blue, and polished silver. But leaked dummy units suggest a daring new orange for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This version doesn't scream neon, it's subtle, slightly muted, and many say that makes it feel upscale and stylish, rather than garish. This warm, playful hue could break the norm, bringing personality and flair to a line dominated by minimalist tones. In a sea of gray and bland shades, the orange variant promises to stand out while still feeling classy. Meanwhile, the rest of the iPhone 17 family looks less adventurous. Leaks hint at softer, more understated greens, blues, and neutrals. If you love the punchy teal or bright yellow of the iPhone 16, this year's options might seem like a step backward. The Air models, in particular, reportedly look washed out unless hidden under a bright case, potentially leaving fans of bold design disappointed. Some longtime fans still reminisce about the iPhone 14's cheerful yellow finish, a vibrant, sunny shade that was a fan favorite. Apple quietly phased it out by the time iPhone 16 launched, and ever since, many users have been hoping for its return. When asked what colors fans wanted most for the iPhone 17, many voiced support for rich reds, purples, bright blues, and yes, even yellow. Clearly, there's still strong demand for more expressive hues, especially among those who want their phones to reflect their own style. This all leads to one intriguing question: could Apple be pushing color boundaries for the Pro series this time around? If the orange Pro Max sees the light of day, it may signal a broader shift. Pro isn't just for professionals, it's also for people who want vibrancy, creativity, and individuality. Imagine if Apple also slips in a yellow or saturated blue version. It'd ignite excitement and signify a willingness to break from tradition. And crucially, it would acknowledge that not all Pro users are business types looking for sleek, safe finishes. Many want bold, fun colors too. The official announcement is still a few weeks away, but the leaks have already set expectations sky high. Whether Apple surprises with orange, brings back yellow, or spins the whole palette in a new direction, the iPhone 17 release will likely be defined as much by color choices as by tech specs. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.